Hey everyone, welcome. In today's video, we are going to build a production ready AI agent from scratch using n8n, Google Sheets, and Gmail. But before we look under the hook, let me show you exactly what this agent can do. The agent what we are gonna build from scratch on today is lead capture auto response system, and this is the architecture of the agent what we are gonna build. I will try to show the demo of it so that after showing the demo we can try to build. As input for this lead agent, I am passing my name, email, and message. Why I am passing these three input fields instead of passing some other details? Because we are passing the name to know who is the user, and when it comes to email, we are giving because we are trying to trigger the response for the user what query he has been asked to us through this email only. So basically email will be used as a communication bridge in between of user and our agent, and message we are collecting to know about the query of the user, what actual query he has, so that he came to us to get solution. Now I will show you how this will. Yeah, as you guys seen, workflow has been started. Yeah. Initially, the email has been triggered. As you guys can see, hi Chandu, thanks for reaching out. I had loved to help you get started. Could we schedule a brief call or demo to discuss your needs in more detail? Let me know a convenient time and I will set it up. Looking forward to connecting soon. Yeah, this is the output what we got from the agent. And when it comes to our database, I will show you guys clearly how it will be working. This is the leads, what user has been sent to us. I query what I have been asked is, hello, I need help. As you guys can see here, this is my name and this is the email what I given as an communication leads. And the message I sent is, hello, I need help. So this is a user's information what we are giving to agent to showcase the problem. When it comes to query what AI has been replied, this is the way. This is the message what we asked to agent, and this is the response what AI has been written and sent to our email. Like this, first email will be triggered. After triggering the email, the data will be stored in database like Google Sheets. It will be storing differently because we need to know what user has been asked to us and what response AI is generating us. So I differentiated leads as user response and responses columns as AI or agent output along with our input what we given to it. And after this, we try to explain you guys how you need to connect actual nodes we need like Google Sheets, Gmail, etc. For this agent, we need three things. First one is Google Sheets. As if I'm already good in using this n8n agent, I will be suggesting you guys to start with n8n Cloud version first. Try to open your browser, search for n8n Cloud, and start to register in this. After registering over here, you will be getting an 14 days trial period with an cloud server. You guys can utilize it properly to learn and how it actually works. Why I'm suggesting you to go with cloud version instead of local setup, because setting up locally is a difficult part initially and you guys may lose interest because it is tough one and you guys never tried it. So instead of trying hard part first, go with the simple one. You try to search for an n8n cloud and register over there. 14 days dedicated time will be there in your hands. Try to build the agents upon your own. Try to debug the things over there so that things will be easy. Once you start to understand the things, and then you guys can switch to local host later. This will be a good approach which helps you guys to learn faster instead of struggling initially and losing interest what you guys are playing for. And when it comes to integrating the actual nodes what we need like Google Sheets, etc., I will show you guys. Instead of showing it just like that, I will try to show how you guys actually need to do it. Go to search for Google Sheets and then select anyone, up and rows. Like this, you guys will be seeing initially as if I already integrated my Google Sheets account. I'm seeing over here. For you guys, instead of this, you guys will be seeing set up new credential. Just tap upon that. You guys will be seeing options like this. As if I'm using in localhost, it is asking me for client ID and client secret. If you guys are using n8n in cloud version, directly sign in with Google option will be supported. You guys just tap upon that. It will automatically authenticate your Google Sheets to your n8n. No need any keys initially because cloud version automatically authenticate your Google account. No need to do anything. Same for this is the reason why I suggested you guys to go with cloud version first instead of starting with localhost. In localhost, we need keys to integrate for our purpose. But when it comes to cloud version, it is not like that. You guys can directly authenticate your Google account with n8n so that you guys can directly access without having any keys. And now we need AI agent too, as if I'm using NVIDIA Open API keys. I will try to explain you guys when it actually needed to us instead of saying it now because you guys may forget how to use it. So when we are actually using this, I will say you guys how you need to integrate it, where to get it, how to get it, and how to integrate it in n8n so that that will be helpful instantly. And you guys can try just by following me instead of passing again and coming back over here and struggling. Now I will try to explain the documentation of this agent so that you guys can understand what is the problem we chosen and what is the solution we are offering. This is the documentation and this is our official website of Shinga 6C. Uh, I already dropped all agents what have been worked in this platform. If you guys are seriously interested, you guys can come over here and take a look for all documentation. Already I set it up everything over here. And if you guys want to test the agents what I already built, here are the agents. I already built 12 to 13 agents. You guys can try them upon your own. You guys don't need any backend work over here. For example, if you want to try this agent, just give these three details and send message. The agent will be working instantly. No need of struggling anything. Now, when it comes to documentation part, I will walk through over here so that I will try to explain the concept of this instead of jumping directly to work from scratch. Uh, the AI, what we are going to build is AI lead capture and auto response system. The overview of this agent is this workflow automates the entire lead response process through a process using AI. It captures incoming leads, generate intelligent responses, logs all interactions, and sends instant email replies, ensuring no lead is lost due to delayed communication. For making you guys understandable, I will try to give one real-time example. For example, think your dad is owns a DTH business. He will be having a lot of customers. They will be coming with different queries. One guy will be coming like in our home, our DTH network is not working properly. Can you guys come and take a look into it so that the problem will be solved? One guy will be coming with problem of my recharge is already completed. Can you recharge it so that DTH will be activated? So like this, different users will be having different problems, and every time they need to come to you and they need to report the problem so that it will be solved. So instead of client coming to your home every time near you and saying their problem, we can integrate this agent to our work and we can give free access to our clients who is already with us. So that due to this, what will happen? The workload will be reduced. Instead of client coming every time to our home and reporting, he will be just opening his email and he will try to convey the query what he is having. So due to that, what will happen? Instead of coming to us every time and reporting, he can sit in his home and he can convey his problem to us what he is actually facing. So when even if we are not available to him, the chatbot what we designed for him will reply instantly and store a copy for us in database too. So that whenever we are free, we can take a look into our database, how many agents, how many users has been asked a query to us, so that we need to solve the queries what they have been asked for. Or a clear report will be generated and and shown in our database. Like we can look at our database and we can decide which things need to be solve fast and which things we can keep to solve it on later. You guys understood, right? Real time example. Now we will go with the problem statement and solution. As if I given real time example because if I'm explaining the documentation what I written, you guys may not get it exactly. But when it comes to real time example, you guys can understand easily because it is already happened and it is easy to understand. I just tried to minimize the idea what I built so that it can reach you guys very soon without taking any pleasure or difficult words. Now I will try to explain the problem statement of this agent why it is actually designed. The major problem of business is losing their potential customers because responses are delayed, leads are not tracked properly, no system exists to monitor communication. As if I said, we are owning a DTH business and our clients are having different queries. If we are not available to them, they will be losing interest and switching to some other options what they are having. So if we want our clients should be happy and they should not go from us, then we can suggest the solution what we have been built, the agent what we designed and what it can do. Instant AI generated responses, complete lead and response tracking, automated email communication, and status monitoring, as if I just explained. When it comes to the system architecture, these are the nodes which will be helping us to solve our problem. Webhook. Webhook is the initial communication setup to our agent. With help of this node, we will be giving input from our side. What is the problem of us and how we need to do it. When it comes to data processing, the input node will be giving all data what it has, but we need to sort the data what we need actually instead of processing everything at a time. Because designing AI agent is okay, but how much fast we are getting replied, that is what we need to target for. So we need to try to filter the data what we need actually instead of taking everything. So this node will help us to sort the data and pick what we need from having everything. After that, the data will be passed to AI response. The agent will see what is the problem of us and it will go through it. After that, it will generate an instant response and it will be passing to our email communication grids so that user can get a query response for what he asked. And when it comes to workflow breakdown, I will try to explain this when we are actually building it because if I say just now, you guys can feel it bore or you may not understand. But when I'm saying when we are actually trying for that, it will be so better because I'm trying to explain you when we are building it actually instead of saying theoretically everything. I hope practicing things practically and learning the things will be better instead of just listening theory. So I'm skipping this part for now so that we will be explaining when we are actually building. And the setup instructions. This is the main part. If you guys don't want to try it from scratch, you just need to use which is already available. Then the JSON file is already available. You guys just download it and try to import it in n8n so that everything will be ready-made already. You guys just need to integrate your Google Sheets, CI agent, and Gmail, nothing else. It will be working automatically. Just send your response. After integrating, you will get an instant reply without any worries. After that, configure credentials. These things is most important because without these things, our agent cannot think what we are asking for. Open API key. This key will be useful for generating response for what query we are asking. And Google Sheets is the main part because we chosen that as our personal database. Whatever queries user is been asking, that every response will be storing along with the query what AI is generating for. When it comes to Gmail, this is the communication bridge in between of user and agent. For what query he is asking, what response I am giving to him, everything will be sent through the Gmail what we are integrating. After integrating email, update sheets column. We are trying to update the status whether it has been sent to user successfully or it has been failed in between, like this. And the use cases of this agent will be it can lead generation systems, marketing funnels, customer support automation, freelancing, and agencies. And when it comes to the benefits of this agent, instant response time, improved lead conversation, full transparency, and scalable automation. As if we are planning some future enhancements of these agents, if it is going success and users actually want to use it, now we just are trying to send notifications through email as an our main communication bridge. If users want to seriously use it for some other social media apps, then we can definitely integrate WhatsApp also along with our Gmail, so that queries will be sent through WhatsApp, and CRM integration also we can do. Lead scoring, what is the score of the response, what agent has been generated, and dashboard analytics. These will be helpful, like which users, how many users are actually using, and how our agent is performing for what various users has been asking, how actively it is performing, everything. As if this is our starting stage, so I divided each workflow into phases. Phase one will be limited to some point. If it is going success, users wanna actually use it, then we will be planning a then we will be expanding our phase what we are having. For example, in phase one, we planned Google Sheets as our database and Gmail as our main communication grids. If users want it, they don't want Gmail, they want WhatsApp, then in phase two, we can customize it. Instead of Gmail, we will be integrating WhatsApp, so that with single message, we can handle everything instead of checking our inbox every time. And author, built as part of real world AI automation series, and it has been completely developed by me. You guys can use it. I'm not restricting anyone to not use it. And if you guys are seriously interested in learning, I will be always ready to help you guys. You guys, I will be helping you to teach how you guys need to do it. If you are stuck in it anywhere, I will be there to help. We are planning to launch an Discord community server soon. Once these phase two videos are getting released, immediately I will be launching Discord community server too. So if you guys are facing any issues, you guys can come over there. We will be having a good talk. I will be helping you guys to build your first agent successfully without any issues. And when it comes to the conclusion, this workflow demonstrates how AI and automation can be combined to solve real business problems with efficiency and reliability. Uh, this is the part one, what I was expecting to complete it. In part two, we will be going to discuss how we need to start an agent, how we need to design, how it will be working, everything I will be covering part two. Thank you.